Supposed to cut that off right there. Hold that sharp. Right. Okay, I don't think there's any way that I have enough of this stuff. I bought 2 tubes of it online. I get in, I figure I look at the fluid ounces and it's like dinky, 0.2 fluid ounces. And I don't know why I didn't buy a bigger bottle. It's kind of expensive, but I finally found one that's reasonably priced, and it's coming. It'll be more than enough to do this, but I don't want to wait for how many days it's going to take to get here. Probably a couple, 3 days anyway, maybe a week. So I'm going to give it a go. If I can get one of these, now I have to go, according to the diagram here, around this hole, up there, there, on either side of this, up to there, there. I'm assuming here and here, there, around this guy. They don't show the whole thing, but I'm figuring, and then I gotta do the same thing. So if I can do 1/2 with this tube, I should have enough to do the other side. So we're gonna give it a go. If I don't have enough, I'll wipe it off, and we'll wait till we get the other stuff. I'm worried that there's not going to be enough, though. Yeah, shoot, there's no way there's going to be enough. Maybe there'll be enough. Man, I think it's got enough. Let's try the other side. did it with one tube, guys. I think that's enough. Hope it's good. I just shoved that going straight into that. On either side of that hole, didn't go around it. All right, guess we're ready. I'm gonna back you up. Sorry, I've got to try to get this thing on without goofing up too much here. Okay, fellas, guys and gals. I'll move out of your way in a second. All right, bolts in order. Sequence here. Number 1's right here. Number 2 right there. That sealant stuff has the consistency of pine tar. If you ever cut down your Christmas tree and you got that sap all over your trees or off your hands, that's what it feels like. Can't get it off my fingers. Number 6 is right here. Number 5's right here. Number 6. You see me? Yeah. 8. All right. Don't know where the torque values. Are the torque values, guys? £38 pound-feet. Oh, you're supposed to add light oil to the threads. I didn't do that. We're gonna do it. So I need to read. Sealant hasn't set up yet. The book called to put the primer on it. So I put the primer on both surfaces, and it says it cleans the oil off, but it also is an accelerant. Hopefully it didn't turn that stuff into rock hard. Loctite already. All right, number 1. So put it on the threads and then on the face of the bolt. Making a mess, I'm making a mess. Number 1. That's number 4. Number 1 is right here. Let's do the next one, number 2. Let's run down the bolt. Number 2, 3. Got enough of my fingers to lube these things up. 3. I didn't take number 3 out yet, guys. You didn't tell me that. Right here. Number 6 is right there. I've got plenty of oil on this thing. Number 7. And number 8. $38 foot-pounds. Sorry guys, I gotta clean my hands off. Be right back. No, I got a rag right here. Hold on a sec. What the heck? Alright. Number 1 is right here. We're gonna start out at get it off. Holy smokes, what's the trick? My hands are oily. Oh, I gotta have that little extension though. Adjuster, little adapter tool here. We're gonna start out at 10 pounds. 25, 20, 10. Number 1 is right here. Thought I spun this down. I guess I didn't. That would have hurt. I've got bare feet on. Right on my toes though. One. Now I'll start 10 pounds. Number 1. don't need that extension. Losing torque. The longer you have an extension, the more torque you're losing. That's good though. That's number 2. Number 3 is right here. Number 4. Okay, we're going to go up to 20 pounds. 20 foot-pounds. Number 1. Number 2. 3. 8. All right, we're going to go up to 30. 25. It's 25. 30. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. 4. 6, 7, 8. Okay, 38. Since I've got a little extension here, I could probably go to 40. It'd be about right. That's 35, 36, 37, 38. We're going to do 38, and I can always just give it a little extra. Number 1. Oh yeah. Number 2. Number 3. 4. 5. Number 6. 7. Double check them one more time. All right, it's on there. Hope it's good. Okay, we can put these screws in on this guy now. Bolt. Gotta figure out what we're supposed to torque these to. Pretty close, so should be able to kind of know by the size of the bolt how many pounds and what kind of metal it's going into. I would guess these 12 foot-pounds maybe. We'll find out in the book. Well, the book says 80 inch-pounds, pound inches, which is divided by that 12, that's like 7.7. It's 6.6. Anyway, about 7 foot-pounds. Okay, they were pretty close. Okay, I didn't show you, but I did tighten the cap on the other side. It's supposed to be 12 foot-pounds. And so it's tight. And then, so everything's tightened down, and it still turns nice and easy. Nothing binding. So that makes me feel good. We're getting there, guys.